Hello students, welcome to Saurabh's classes. Today we will be solving the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2018. Today we will be solving question number 1. In question number 1 it has been said that the probability density function, or in short it is known as PDF, the probability density function PDF of a random variable x is given by f of x is equal to 3 by 5 plus cx square if x lies between 0 to 1 and f of x is equal to 0 in other cases. In this scenario we need to find the value of c. The options that are given us 0, 1, 5 by 6 and 6 by 5. So we have been given that f of x is equal to 3 by 5 plus cx square if x lies between 0 to 1 and f of x is equal to 0 otherwise. We also know that since this is a probability distribution function, so f of x is equal to p of minus infinity to x. This implies the limit of fx as x tends to infinity is equal to 1. So this implies that limit x tends to infinity 3 by 5 plus cx square is equal to 1. Now we know that if we put x equal to infinity over here, then c into infinity square will be c into infinity, though that will be some infinity plus 3 by 5, that will be equal to infinity and not equal to 1. But here we have been given that the value of this limit is equal to 1. So this can only be possible if c is equal to 0. So the correct option is option A, where it is given that the value of c is equal to 0. So today we have solved question number 1 from the ISI Msqe question paper of year 2018. We'll be solving the next questions in the subsequent videos. Till then, keep watching Sources Classes videos for more solutions and content. Thank you very much.